Hello YouTube, back again with another video. We're going to take a look at some new tools that I got from Harbor Freight. Let's get to the video. So before we get to this video, I want to mention to my subscribers, lately for some reason, I've been seeing on my comments lately, YouTube is removing my comments, so I'm not allowed to like or put thumbs up on certain comments, and they're not hateful comments, they're just regular comments. I don't know reason why. If YouTube you're listening, please fix it. Or I don't really know how to fix this issue, so I'll try to contact somebody from YouTube, see if we could fix it. But I just want to let my subscribers know I like replying to you guys. I'm sorry that I can't really reply lately right now because for some reason YouTube is deleting without my permission my comment. So let me see if I can go on my phone real quick so I can show you what's happening. So here is a video, if you could see, of a Neil N comment, and I'm not calling him out or anything, but he put a comment of thanking me of me talking about the Lyle Relay Pro video, but when you click on it, it does not appear. They delete it without my permission. I don't know why they're deleting my comments. If I have the comment section, it's out so you could put comments. There's another one, my comment by 99 Cummins Ram. Comment how the light on the Milwaukee diagram is also annoying, and I pointed out on my video too that it's not bright enough and it's kind of annoying. He just pointed it out in his comment as well. When you click on it, it's not there. They're not hateful comments, they're just regular comments. So YouTube, if you're listening, please fix this issue. I'll try to contact you so we could fix this. I don't know why you guys are deleting the comments. They're not hateful. They're just comments saying, hey, this is what I think. Sorry again for my subscribers that I'm not getting back to you guys. I'll try to fix this issue as soon as possible. But anyway, other than that, let's get to the video on this. So we'll open this up first. Did a little Harbor Freight, little haul, tool haul. If you're in this month, what month? April? Yeah, April. This socket set, this 1-inch socket set, if you're a heavy duty diesel mechanic like myself, right now, you don't need a coupon, but if you have the app, it just shows you the deals. $70 right now. You don't need the coupon. They're already marked $70, but that's $70. And then this, where is this other one? That's Maddox disc brake pad caliper service toolkit, which is this one right here. It's $30. So let's first open this one. 1 inch all the way to 2 inches, as you can see from right here. I believe I have these in metric. I think it's up to 50 millimeter, but when it comes to these sizes, we do more SAE, so I got SAE. So let's open it up. This is also chrome moly. You've seen my other, my other videos. I suggest when it comes to impacts to get chrome moly instead of chrome vanadium. Chrome moly is a little stronger metal. It doesn't wear as quicker as the chrome vanadium. I'm saying that word right. So let's open her up. Oh, and another thing, it's a lifetime warranty. Now when it comes to warranty like this, when it comes to Harbor Freight, there's some times where you need to take the whole set, so they warranty the whole set. You just don't warranty that one socket. So like if you break one socket out of the set, you gotta take the whole set. It just depends on what Harbor Freight you go to. But case, plastic latches. Oh, they're kind of pretty stout. Probably because they're new. They're pretty good. Less latches there. Tell from me struggling. On the side here, I don't see no metal rod. To here, right there. There's just usually a metal rod here. Just showing you that's a good case, but it doesn't show. So let's open her up. Oh, Jesus Christ. Freaking stiff. So there's your sockets. Here's your 1-inch. Right there. A light so you can see better. There you go, that's better. So you guys can see. Here's a 1-inch. Come on, focus. Chrome moly. 1-inch drive. We got 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 3/8, your 2-inch. You got 2-inch socket right there. I mean, and at my job, we don't use these on the daily. You can use them every now and then, but they're good also to like install seals when you want to, like you have a seal that's this big right here. You use this install seal, boom, hit it from the back. You know that's not what they're meant, but it's a good also alternative you could use these big damn sockets for. Here's your 1 5/8, a 3/4, and the 1 7/8. Let's see if this, my light's dying. So, and then here's a 1 1/2 by 13/16. So, oh, okay. This is one for the Bud style. So I'll put a screenshot if you guys don't know what a Bud style wheel is. But it's basically a square drive wheel that's in between the 2 double wheels when you got dually wheels on big semis. So you have the rim, a Bud nut around the next rim, and then all lug nuts after that. So here's the Bud style in there, and then here's your, what is this? Yeah, 13, 1 1/2 around here. So it is. So that's kind of cool. I got a snap-on Bud style like this, but it was a Bud inside, and then it was a 33 outer instead of a 1 1/2, and that one would always strip the Bud nuts or studs, I guess. So I end up giving that back to the snap-on guy and getting a straight Bud style socket instead, so so I won't round off any bud bolts or bud style nuts, lug nuts. So that's the Harbor Freight set. You got foam here, and then that's really about it. Alright. And then we got the Maddox. Now we're gonna get more and more Fords, more light duty Fords. I mean, kind of like your Transits, your stuff like that. And plus, I got this also to do side work when I have a customer that has this style of brakes. More likely they're Ford. That why I would use this usually Ford from where I would work from. I don't know if this is for any other kind of car. But it's for your brake pistons and your calipers that have a twist type. So Maddox, this is 30 bucks. Here's your Fireman MF 7-1. Doesn't really say what else all the vehicle is used for. But here's your box. No metal bar across, just a plastic bar there. Let's open her up. Let's see this. There you go, that's better. Let's put it to the side so you guys can see. You have your manual. You got your foam. And then your actual tool. So I'll make a video. Oh wow, it's pretty oiled, more oiled than those sockets. You could, I don't know if you could see all that oil there. So they lubricated pretty good. So see how that moves. That it would move in your caliper pistons inward, so you could put new pads. And you have different attachments. Got this one, that one there. You got a bunch of them. You got a big one here, and then they're all numbered. And that's about it. I don't know if you guys are interested in the manual, but if you're interested in reading it, you can. See, boom, there's a diagram. How to use it. Caliper piston, a disc, plate, and the thrust bolt. I know there's a square drive. Just if you don't want to buy this whole set, you can do this all the time. You could buy a little square. It will get the piston in the caliper, but it's not the fastest either. You're there for a while, and it's a little tricky. You gotta put some force. So, oh, here you go. The description tells you for what mostly they're used for. You want to pause the video and take a gander on what what vehicles can be used for which one. Tells you the number and more or less which one it is, which type of car. A Tesla? Oh wait, no, that's a Tesla. I thought I said Tesla. That'd be weird. Tesla where to put some of these. But yeah, that's about it. That, and it also has the numbers there, so you could see. You just go with that and then this. Cool, pretty cool. So that's a little tool haul that I got on Freight. I'll try it out, see if it works. If it don't work, I'll let you guys know. And that's it. Sorry again to my subscribers and all my commenters. I'm not getting back to you lately. I don't know why the comments are just not allowing me to comment, or like, or heart the comment either. So I'll try to fix that as much as I can. If YouTube, you're hearing me out, fix the issue. That'd be greatly appreciated. Yeah. See you guys later. I'll catch you in the next video.